Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of x minus 4 plus square root of x plus 5 plus square root of 4 minus x is equal to 3, to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by letting square root of x plus 5 as t. So, from here, t square, it will be x plus 5, right? This to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. And x is equal to t square minus 5. And rewrite this equation, and it will be a square root of x minus 4, and x is t square minus 5, t square minus 5, and minus 4, and plus this square root, we can write this as a square root of 4 minus x, 4 minus x, and x is t square minus 5. And in here we take this to this side, and it will be 3 minus, this is t, minus t. So it will be square root of t square minus 9 and plus square root of, in here it will be 4 minus t square, and this times it will be positive 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and minus t square is equal to t minus 3. And next step, we square both sides of this equation, and it will be this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. So in here, this to the power of 2, it will be t square minus 9, and plus this to the power of 2, it will be 9 minus t square, and plus 2 times this times this. So we can write this as square root of t square minus 9, t square minus 9 times 9 minus t square, 9 minus t square, and is equal to, in here, 3 minus t to the power of 2. In here, if we factor negative 1 for these two parts, it will be negative 9 minus t square, right? We factor negative 1. And it will be t square minus t square. This will cancel this, and negative 9 will cancel this negative 9. And 2 times square root of, in here we have 9 minus t square, and times 9 minus t square, it will be negative 9 minus t square to the power of 2, right? Is equal to 3 minus t to the power of 2. And next step, we square both sides of the equation. So this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. And it will be 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And this to the power of 2, this 2 will cancel this square root, and we have negative 9 minus t square to the power of 2, and negative times this 4, it will be negative 4, and times 9 minus t square to the power of 2, right? Is equal to 3 minus t to the power of 2 times 2 is 4. And next step, we write this as negative 4 times, in here we can write this 9 minus t square as 3 minus t times 3 plus 3 plus t, right? And to the power of 2. And here we take this to this side, and it will be negative 3 minus t to the power of 4. And we can write this 3 minus t to the power of 2 times 3 minus t to the power of 2, right? And it will be, in here, it will be 3 minus t to the power of 2 times 3 plus t to the power of 2, right? So we can factor 3 minus t to the power of 2. In here also we have 3 minus t to the power of 2. So we factor 3 minus t to the power of 2, and it will be, in here we have negative 4 times 3 plus t to power of 2 and minus 3 minus t to power of 2 is equal to 0. Also, this is equal to 0. In next step, from here we have two solutions. 3 minus t to power of 2 is equal to 0. And from here, t is equal to 3, right? Or this equation is equal to 0. So we write negative 4 times 3 plus t to power of 2 minus 3 minus t to power of 2 is equal to 0. And next step, in here, it will be negative 4 times 3 plus t to power of 2, it will be 9 plus 60 and plus t square, and minus 3 minus t to power of 2, it will be 9 minus 60 and plus t square is equal to 0. And from here, it will be negative 4 times 9, it will be negative 36, and negative 4 times 60, it will be negative 40, and minus 4t square, right? And in here we have negative 9 and plus negative times negative will be positive 60, and negative t square is equal to 0. So in here it will be negative 4t square minus t square, it will be negative 5t square, and negative 24t plus 60, it will be negative 18t, and minus negative 36 minus 9, it will be negative 45 is equal to 0. And we take all of these three parts to this side, so it will be 5t square plus 18t and plus 45 is equal to 0. And if we use the discriminant formula, d is equal to a square minus b square minus 4ac, this is equal to b square is, b is 18, so b square will be 18 to power of 2 and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 5, and times c is 45. And here 4 times 5, it will be 20. So 18 squared, it will be 18 times 18, and minus 20 times 45, this is less than 0, right? So this is less than 0, and in here we have no real solution. So we reject this equation, and we continue by this. T is equal to 3. So we write in here T is equal to 3. And we recall this square root of x plus 5 is equal to t. So we write a square root of x plus 5 is equal to t, and t is 3. And we square both sides of this equation, and it will be x plus 5 is equal to 9, and from here x is equal to 4. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.